guys, it's me again, Jeanette's Lifestyle, and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, guys, I just wanted to share to you how I prepare my creamy ubi halaya recipe, or it's a Filipino kakanin, or it's a creamy purple yam recipe. Okay, so I have here for the ingredients needed. First, of course, the main ingredients is the ube or the purple yam. It's 2 cups. You can have it 2 to 3 cups, but for me, I will be using 2 cups. And here the 2 cups rice flour, of course, and this one is 1 cup glutinous rice flour, and a pinch of salt, and 1 cup and 1/4 sugar. And this one is 3 cups coconut milk, which I'll be using for my latik or coconut bits, I mean. And these are 3 cups. I'll be using 3 cups of this for the mixture. So I just wanted to add vanilla extract. It is also optional, or you can use it as well. 1 tablespoon of UBE flavoring, but for me, I just prefer to use this one, vanilla. Okay, so just 1 tablespoon of it. So guys, please join me on how I prepare this kakanin or the purple yam recipe. Okay, so please enjoy watching, guys. mixture, which I have made for all the ingredients that I had combined. Yeah, so there you go. So the consistency is already evenly mixed. Yes, there you go. So after this, I will put it later in a pan, yeah, and stir it occasionally, like from 1 to 2 hours until it's perfectly done. But for now, I'll be making a latik first, or a coconut brown bits. Okay, so please stay tuned, guys. So welcome back, guys. It's time for me now to make latik, or brown coconut bits. Yeah. Okay, so first I put in the 3 cups. Once again, now it's already done. Looks like this, yeah, the coconut bits. So it's time for me to drain it here. Yes, to separate the bits from the oil. There you go. So these are already, yeah, not much, but you know. So please stay tuned. It's time for me now to put the mixture into the pan. Okay, welcome back. So now it's time for me to put this mixture into the pan and stir it. Halaya. So welcome back, guys. This is already how it looks like. See? After like an hour of stirring it, there you go. Takes a lot of hard work, but later it's worth. Yeah, it's finally done. There you go. So yeah, you know, this is also good for Christmas celebration. You can cook it, yeah, for your dessert at home. It's just easy. Ingredients are very affordable, yes. Just a matter of hard work, stirring like this. There you go. Yeah. It's finally done, yes. There you go. Yeah, so I'll show you soon how I prepared it in my tray, okay? So thank you for watching and please stay tuned. Hey, it's me again. Welcome back. So this is already my finished product, which is the ube halaya or the purple yam. Yeah, there you go. I just used 2 cups of purple yam, so the color looks like this. It's a light purple, yeah. So I guess 3 cups is really good if you really like to get more darker, yeah, purple. So there you go. I garnish it on top with the coconut bits or the latik, yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed watching my simple and very affordable recipe of this creamy purple yam, yeah, or ube halaya. So there you go. So thank you guys for watching once again, and please stay safe and always keep praying and hoping that everything will gonna be fine in God's perfect will and of course intervention. So once again, thank you so much for my Power Watch love group, and as well as the Masiyahin Salid spicy team, yeah, for supporting me always and always there to watch my videos, yes. So once again, thank you for watching and God bless everyone, and I love you guys. It's time for me now to say bye for now.